wires, magnets and pencils.
Start.
This shows the attraction repulsion between two magnets without any contact. This is an example for non-contact force.
Air is essential for burning. Materials required are candle, wooden blocks, glass bottle and matchstick. We are putting these wooden blocks. Now we are burning the candle. Now we are putting this glass bottle on the top of that. After we are put this, you can observe that the candle is still burning because air enters through this gap. In the second case, we are covering the candle by a glass bottle. From this, you can observe that the air is essential for burning.
Production of electricity. Materials required: battery, nail, wires and LED bulb. When the wire touches the nail, we can see that the LED bulb is glowing. From this activity, it is clear that the nail is a good conductor of electricity.